Hey bosses, and welcome back to another vlog. Today has already started off a little bit crazy. It is rainy today. We have some chances of some pretty severe weather, but that could not stop me from going to a client's to take some pictures for their social media and bringing my daughter to school. So I'm sitting here waiting on my daughter to get out of class. I thought that now would be the time that I popped in and welcomed you to my channel. So welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are new here, I am Andrea Patrick, the BU Boss, and this channel is all about personal branding, business tips, and beauty lifestyle content. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up because that only helps me in YouTube land. Now, this week is going to be pretty slam-packed. I have a fitness assessment tomorrow. Ooh. Thursday, I'm going to a concert. So exciting. There will be lots of fun things in between, so stick around for the week. Anyway, let's go ahead and get on with it. I am waiting here with my daughter. I might put some shots in here of my clients' pictures that I took, trying to respect their space. Definitely didn't want to record in there. It's a med spa, so there are people in there getting services done. Didn't want to disturb that. So I just went in, took pictures, didn't vlog a lot, but I might insert some pictures in here to show you sort of some of the things that I was taking pictures of. Maybe they're products, because maybe you'll get some use out of that. Anyway, let's move on with the week. It is Thursday, March 24th, and boy, are we in for a big day. I have gotten up, I've had my coffee, I've spoken to my best friend this morning. Yesterday we did some recording, and that's about all. My day was full of like getting the podcast out and doing some recording, some filming for future videos and batching, basically is what I was doing yesterday. So I think I showed you a little bit of that, and today, we are headed to a concert this evening. Yes, that's right, but I will be masked up. Don't play. Your girl ain't trying to catch nothing if she can. So we are headed to the New Edition Jodeci, Charlie Wilson concert. We got these tickets a long time ago, and so now your girl has got to find something to wear. I'm not going shopping for a whole outfits. I am just going to look for some more relevant, on-trend pieces that fit within my uniform. If you don't remember, go back and check out my 5 C's to be you. In one of them, I'm sharing with you about how to create your own uniform so that you can just always go in your closet and get dressed and get ready. So I'm going to try to find some on-trend top that will go with several of my options, or I have several options that I can wear this evening, but I want to find a couple of tops that can maybe work within my uniform and still make me feel like I am doing the thing at the concert tonight. So I'll take you along for the ride with me on that. And as you can see, I am processing here. I woke up this morning and colored my hair. Your girl does not want to look like somebody's grandma at the New Edition concert. Okay. We are going to let this process for a little while longer, and then we're going to head out to try to find a couple of cute tops that we can incorporate into the uniform, and then we come back and there's a lot of work to be done before we get ready for this concert. So I'm trying to be in the shops as soon as they open. So wish me luck on that, and I will see you when we are ready to head out. Okay bosses, so it is later in the day. I have done some shopping. You should have seen some footage of me shopping, and I just came home and tried on 3 different looks. Well, it's the same pants and shoes, but with 3 different tops that I picked up. And then tonight you'll get to see which one I actually chose.
I actually put a poll up on IG stories to see which of the looks you guys like the best. I'm a neutral girl. I love black, whites, creams. You guys saw that in my uniform video, 5 C's to be you. Go back and check that out. This spring, I will be doing color, but since I wanted to be comfortable and I wanted to feel like I was sort of doing it, you know, with my wardrobe, I stuck to what I knew best. And I had some cute combat boots that are sort of a dupe of the Balenciaga boots, little crop tops I thought would be cute, and some satin cargo pants. So I don't know, we'll see what I end up with. But yes, my hair is still drying. I twisted it up. I will do my face and do all my do here in a little bit, but for now I gotta go run one more errand that I did not do while I was out, and I hate that because I hate going back out. But anyway, I will be back tonight once I get my entire look together, and I will have my husband do like a once over so you can see what I look like before the show.
How about you get some of that now?
Thank you. Hey, Uncle Dave.